Okay, to make a handcuff knot, you just get yourself a piece of rope, make a loop just like that, make another loop like that, take the two loops, start to pass one loop through the hole like that, pull on the edges, here's where your hands go through, and you can adjust it by pulling on these bottom ropes. And it usually works good if you're trying to suspend somebody from up high, as you can tie this off, and then the weight pulling down keeps them from loosening the loop off their hands. That's it. Simple handcuff loop knot.